What is going on? We are going to do a quick Magic John screen protector review. I paid for this. They did not send me this. This is a free review that I'm doing. I paid cash for this. So we're going to see. They say it's really easy to install. I've got a S24 Samsung old screen protector right here. I've gone through like 3 of these old ones. So I also have an OtterBox that I keep on mine, so I don't know if it's going to be compatible or not. But yeah, they say this is easy to put on. So I'm going to hopefully not even edit this, maybe just throw in some clips from the GoPro here, like so you can see a little bit better. But yeah, so here we go. Magic John screen protector. Don't even know what that is. Installation guide, installation kit. I think this was a 2-pack for $16, I believe. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna set one of these to the side. I guess we could put something like that, nice and neat. I don't know if you're watching this. If you end up watching this and liking it, you could subscribe. Also, if you see this on TikTok, maybe if I add the little blue check mark or the green check mark, the orange check mark, whatever it is, yeah, you can help me out there. It doesn't cost you more to buy through my links, by the way. I don't know why people think that, but it's not true. And they also think, oh, you're getting paid. I'm not. I'm only getting paid if somebody actually buys it. But if this is crap, you know, hey, it's crap. We know it's crap. Maybe it's not. I don't know. All right, so here we go. We got a dust remover. We got a wet wipe. Everything's labeled. So it says, number 1, begin by cleaning the screen with the wet wipe. So we got the wet wipe right here. Bam, bam. Screen's actually pretty clean right now. The edges are really dirty. Like I said, I've had this phone for, I don't know, maybe a year. So, all right, here we go. Wet wipe. All right, now use the lint-free dry cloth right here. It came with it. I'm trying to look at my timer on there. I can't see it from this far. All right, it looks really clean. No glare, so I can't really. All right, now put the applicator tray on your phone and make sure the top aligns with the top of your phone. All right, here we go. Here we go. So this is the applicator tray right here. It has the top on here, so I'm just going to set this on here like so. All right. It says put the applicator tray on. All right. Put your fingers to the grab onto the sides where the arrow is and pull the dust removal strip. All right. Onto the sides. Press both sides of the tray and remove dust removal strip. All right, we've done that. Now press and swipe your finger from left to right in the slit. There's a bottom slit and a top one. All right, 1, 2, okay. There we go. Now press both sides of the tray. Tear off the sticker while pressing on both sides of the tray. So I'm squeezing these both sides, pulling the sticker. All right, now remove the applicator tray from the bottom. Lift the applicator tray from the bottom of the phone. All right, just like that. All right, and then remove the final film and finish installation. All right, so this has got a final film on it. Is there any more instructions? That's it. Wow, this might be really easy. All right, final film. All right, so I do have a bubble in here, but everything else is like perfectly aligned. But I do have one bubble, but it comes with a squeegee. So we are now going to squeegee it out to the side. It helps if you go slower. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the other sides, make sure it's down. Wow, looks really good. Look at that, it's very clear. They have a couple different types. All right, let's see if it works back in my OtterBox. Now, they have a couple different types. This one, the water is supposed to drip off of it. I guess I can go get water real quick. Hang on. right, we got a little water. We'll try that. Let's put this. Well, let's just do it now. All right, we'll put a little drop of water on there. See if it. Well. All right, it does drop beads off and beads right off. Wow, okay. So the hydrophonic that it claims is actually good. All right, let's see if this thing works with my OtterBox. Bada bing, bada bam. All right, so sometimes on the other ones that I've gotten, when I put the OtterBox on, it makes the screen protector fly up. This one did not. Screen protector's on there. So far, so good, man. And then we put it back in my OtterBox. Hey, I'm gonna go with, well, subscribe. I'll update on a short if this ends up being crappy and breaking soon. But man, installation wise, and I think it was $16 for two. Installation wise is very simple. Big on TikTok, also got them on Amazon. But yeah, if you see my little orange thing in the bottom, click it. I hope you liked it. I do a couple videos. I do a lot, I mostly do travel videos, and I've been doing a lot of product review videos, so fact or crap, legit or shit. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. I'm pretty satisfied with the installation of this. Probably the easiest one I ever did. Everything's lined up. Later.